Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Mesh. Today we will see how we can trade with much lower risk of losing money using stablecoins. As an example, we will use the TUSD USDT pair offered by crypto trading exchange Binance. In the simulation we want a gain of 0.1% per trade, and taking into account a fee of 0.1% per trade, we will try to have a price fluctuation of at least 0.3%. Thus we will sell USDT at the price of 10003, and we will buy TUSD at the price of 0.9998. The simulation is made at the hourly opening price, starting with January 1, 2020. Stay with us, let's see how much money we can earn by crypto trading with stablecoins using this simulation. After 3 months of trading, we have a profit of $25, with a price that has fluctuated quite a lot in these months. Stay with us, let's see what profit we can make by trading with stablecoins with lower risks. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below and tell us what do you think about trading with stablecoins, and if it is a safer way to trade having a higher success rate. After 6 months we already have a profit of $70. The price did not fluctuate very much, but we still made a profit without any loss trading. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. According to the trading simulation, at the end of August we have a profit of $84. Leave a comment and tell us what you think about Stablecoins trading and Binance crypto exchange. You can find in the description link to Binance, where you can create a free account and use it immediately. We start the 11th month with a profit of $91. Volatility was lower, but this pair had higher trading volumes, causing the price to be more stable. However, whales executed large orders, which helped us to make a profit. We started the crypto trading simulation using the TUSD USDT Stablecoins pair with $1,000. We finished with almost $1,100. So we had a 10% profit in 1 year with low risk. If you like this video, smash the like button, share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.